YouTube family, I just wanted to get right on. This is Equilla Marie. I guess I need to tell you who I am. But thank you so much for joining me today. This is Equilla Marie of Equilla Marie Creative. And I just wanted to give you some inspiration for a 45-minute art activity that you can give your kids. Yes, 45 minutes. So this is good for those virtual moms, those virtual dads, virtual grandmas, grandfathers who have their kids at home and they need something to keep the kids busy. Now this is still educational because it goes along with some of the art curriculum standards for each state. So this collage project is basically a color wheel collage project. Now I'm going to break it down. There are just really quick steps that you need. You can prep this for your kids. You can have this for them. But this will occupy them for 45 whole minutes while you go make lunch, while you're working with the older kids. So if that interests you, I want you to stay tuned. The supply list is really simple for this project. You'll need scissors, a stack of magazines, and if you have 3 or 4, that will do, and also a canvas and glue sticks. Now the canvas can be really simple. I love to use recycled products, so a cereal box, an old poster board, or if you have a canvas that you may have retrieved from the bought from the dollar store, that will do. So nothing too complicated, a lot of things that you may already have around your house anyway. The steps to this project are really simple, the directions. Now, I would advise you to make up a sample, a little small sample of how this is supposed to look. Now, if you're like me, that would eliminate a lot of questions throughout the project. But make up a sample and simply explain to them that they're going to be creating a color wheel, all right, which is one of the elements of art, color. All right, and so they're going to go through the magazines and pick out all the things that they see that are blue, green, orange, all the colors that are in the color wheel. All right, they're going to take the glue stick, and on the canvas you're going to separate the canvas within a circle. You're going to separate it into 6 equal parts, and I'll give you an example of how you're to outline the canvas. And then in each canvas, you want to go ahead and write in pencil what color goes there. So they won't get mixed up on which colors go where. You're going to have this all laid out for them. And I guarantee you that this will take them about 30 to 45 minutes. So we'll give you, free up some time for you to cook dinner or for you to do something else or work with another child. But those are the simple directions. So all that said, let's get started. I'm going to give you a sample of a time lapse on putting together this project, and hopefully you'll have fun doing it. inspired by this creative project today. So hopefully it was fun, it was inspiring, and if you're like me, it gave you a little bit of free time to do something else while juggling all these activities that we have at home right now. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you stopping by to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos on how to help inspire your children to be creative every day and kind of balance some of those hard subjects that they have out there, and know that they can learn and be creative by doing arts related activities. So thanks so much. Make sure you subscribe and comment, and I would love to see any final projects that you have, so feel free to post those. All right, take care. See you in the next video. Bye.